let me quickly make video about this uh platform, or you can call it app here. This is Antmining. You can download the app also on the site. This Antmining, and as you can see here, this Antmining, and as you can see here, you can see received under my homepage here. Activities, that means I am this machine here is working for me, and this machine here I got it for free, and it's giving me output of $3 daily. I get it for free. You can see it here. So I'm going to show you how to get it for free, also how to get it for free on this site. Let's go. So when you register on this site, if you want to register, check the description of this video. When you register on this site, the first thing you need to do is to do your KYC. That is your KYC. Click here. So when you click there, then you are going to see a place where they ask you to do your KYC around somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, you will see it here. If you look at my own here, you will see that it's right verified already, and I'm on trial account. So after you do your KYC verification and your account get verified as my own here, immediately they will give you free ant mining machine that will be generating $3 for you every day. $3. If you want to do your KYC, you have to provide your ID card, and some live video of yourself. So that is it. So if you, after you have verified your account, if you go to assets, you will see that your mining will be running. Your mining, this is it today, $3 for today, and I have already earned $6 already on this platform. It remains 28 days. You can do the calculation 3 times 30 days to know how much you will be making in a month. So that is it about this app. For example, let's say you want to invest on this app. Let's say you want to invest on this app. This is what you will do. In case you want to invest. So this is their mining machine here. You can see this one is being sold at $168, and it will be giving you $1 daily. You can withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is $10, and this machine here will work for you for 31 days. That is I think 2 years. That is 2 years. 2 years plus. That is 2 years plus. It will work for you. You can also see this one here also. This one price is $298, and the daily output is $4.8 for 30 days. This one is for 30 days. You can see this one also, $877, and the output is $15.8 for 45 days. So that is how this platform work. That is their mining machine. And the daily output on this app. So guys, this is what I just have for you today. Right now, this is what I have for you right now. If you need any help, you can click here, click there if you need any help. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this, if you find something good in this video, please hit that like button, and if this is your first time here, hit the subscribing button to join me every time I drop another video, so that you will be receiving the notification every single day. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.